Hi everyone, it's Nani Uzo here, and first and foremost I want to thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Like, I really appreciate it, so thank you guys. So let's get right into the point of this video. As you guys can already tell, this is a skincare routine video, and I'm just going to really show you the products I use and how I do my facial scrub. But first and foremost, I just want to talk about, how I get my skin to look this way. And I don't want to sit here and say, oh, I do this, I do that, blah blah blah. Because to be honest, I've always really had fairly nice skin. But when I did it, it was just, little spots on my forehead. And if it wasn't like little spots, it was just little like zits, literally like here, or here. And it was like terrible. But I guess, the older I got, my skin just began to like even out in itself. So I'm not really tripping. I thank God for that. So yeah. So the very first thing you want to do is just literally get rid of all sugary drinks. Stop drinking alcohol, stop drinking soda, stop drinking juices. Like, give your body like at least 3 months just to heal itself, and you'll start seeing changes in your body, your skin. You're more active, you have more energy inside, and that's what you want. Like for me, I drink at least like 3 bottles of water a day, if that. I try to drink more, but I still like to do my big girl stuff. It happens, a little shot or there, but still, you guys, please, water is important. Water is the key to healthy looking skin. Alright, you guys, now with the lectures. So the very first product that I love so much is my Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub. Excuse me. I really just love this product because it just gives you a mint feel. And that's how I feel like, that's how you know it's really working, when your skin starts feeling minty. I love that feeling, Yeah, I love this product. Let's get it, trust me. So the very next product that I just grew to love, if you can say that, are these Cubella facial masks. They're like $1 to $3 at Target, depending on where you stay. And to be honest, I've never really been a facial mask kind of girl, and I was really skeptical with these because they're only like $1. So I was just like, how well do they work? Girl, let me just use shop. These products are life. Like, they do the job, trust me. They have different varieties. This one's refreshing, relaxing, pore minimizing, and then purifying. They do the job. So I really feel this is a pickup that you guys need in your life. Only for the next product that I do not have with me because I ran out. I'm so sad. But it's black soap. Man, I love me some black soap. Black soap is that thing. Trust. That's the review. I use my Clean and Clear, my Cubella facial mask, and then black soap. Those are really all I use on my face. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the views. Coming up, I'll show you how to do my facial scrub. So yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Miss Beauty with 3 S's. And yeah, thank you guys.
Hi everyone. So the very first thing you will need is your spoon or your bowl to mix your mixture in there. You'll need your coconut oil. It can be refined or unrefined, whatever you like. You need your coconut sugar. And lastly, you will need your lemons. Yummy. So you get your bowl and then place your coconut oil inside of there.
Just the mere thoughts of you, they make me high. There are so many fishes in the water, I know. But yeah, the reason for
now you can get your coconut sugar and place it inside there as well. Now, depending on the consistency, you don't really want it to be too watery, but then you don't want it too thick. So just get it in between there.
Cause I never ever wanna hear you say bye-bye. And I promise, baby, I'ma be your ride or die. I'ma stay honest with you, never lie. Oh, baby, you gonna be my only one.
Mine was a little bit too thick, so I had to add some more oil in there.
If you choose to be with me, it will never ever go wrong. I know.
Now you can add your lemons inside there.
Stopping our peace, and I ain't talking you to this. Oh, I'm up on them. Then they look like say behold them. Some they talk say love don't die. Say you know they exist.
Now you're just doing it. Mix away.
Let me take you to Paris. Paris like a Helen of Troy. And then fly to Accra and fly to Laskidi. Me and you in the absence of my convoy. My heart is beating for you, no lie. Never leave me and go, you're my life.
Ladies, this can be a bit messy, so be very mindful of how you're placing it and where you are. You just want to put it on all the desired spots where you have your acne, or, you know, minimizing your pores. Now what you want to do is grab your Clean and Clear scrub. Make sure it's oil free, ladies. Considering the fact that you're already using oil, you don't want to do that to your skin. And there you go, ladies, a nice fresh face. Thank you for watching.